In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a PDF in Google Drive on your laptop or PC. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's get started. First, you want to open up your web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, or whichever browser you prefer. In the address bar, type in drive.google.com and hit enter. This link will take you directly to Google Drive. If you aren't already logged into your Google account, you'll need to enter your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll see all of your stored documents right there in Drive. Next, let's find the file you want to convert to PDF. It could be a Google Doc, a sheet, or a slide, whichever one you need. Once you locate your file, go ahead and double-click on it. This will open the file in its respective editor, so you'll be ready to make the conversion. Now that your document is up, head to the top left corner of the screen where you'll find the File menu. Click on that to open it up. This is where all the magic happens. In the drop-down menu, you'll see several options, but what you're looking for is the Download option. You may need to scroll down a bit or hover over it to reveal more options. Once you see it, click on Download. This will open a sub-menu with a range of file formats you can choose from. What you need to select here is pdfdocument.pdf. Go ahead and click on that. Now, Google Drive will automatically convert your document into a PDF and start the downloading process. This usually only takes a few moments, so you won't have to wait long. Depending on the settings of your browser, the PDF will either save directly to your default Downloads folder, or it may prompt you to choose a specific location on your computer to save it. Keep an eye on the download bar at the bottom of your browser, or check the location you have specified for downloads. And there you have it. Just like that, you've created your very own PDF straight from Google Drive. It's a quick and easy process that can be done in just a few minutes, making it super convenient for when you need to share documents in a universally accepted format. Just to recap, you opened Google Drive, located your file, accessed the File menu, selected the Download option, and saved your new PDF. Simple, right? Now you can use this method anytime you need to convert files to PDF format, making it easier to share them without worrying about compatibility issues. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and happy converting.